Welcome guys. In this video I will write the Python program for the 20th exercise of chapter 5. This program is a random number guessing game. This program will generate a random number between 1 and 100 and will ask the user to guess the number. If user guess correctly, it will congratulate. Otherwise, it will tell you have entered too high or too low and will keep telling high or low until user enter the correct number. Let's write the program. First of all, import random and define a function guessing game. In this function, create a variable number to generate a random number. Random.randint 1, 100. Create a variable guess to store the user guess. Now set it equal 0. Create another variable guess count to keep count of user guesses. Set it equal 0. Now create a while loop. While guess not equal to number, set guess equal int input guess the random number. And increment the guess count. Guess count plus equal 1. After this, now if the guess is less than number, if guess less than number, print too low, try again. If guess equal number, congratulate the user. So print congratulations. It's correct. And also print the guess number at which you find the correct number. So print that took you guess count number of guesses. And also print a new line. Now for creating next time random number, first print Generating a new number. And also create a new line. And again set number is equal random dot random 1 comma 100. Also set guess equal 0 and guess count equal 0. Now if the guess is greater than number, if guess greater than number, print too high. Try again. And at last call the guessing game function. Run the program. Guess the random number. Let enter 60. Too low. Try again. Guess the random number. Enter 80. Too high. Try again. Guess the random number. Enter 72. Too high. Try again. Let enter 68. Too high. Try again. Enter 65. Too high. Let enter 63. Again too high. Try again. Enter 62. Congratulations, it's correct. And we find the correct number on 7 attempts. If you want to try again, you can guess again.